Welcome, Michigan virtual students. This is Miss Tesselin, and I'm just reviewing some of the key parts of writing a hypothesis. This is for a scientific experiment, and it's part of the scientific method. The first thing you do when you are a scientist is you're going to question things. And so, in your design of the scientific experiment, you're going to ask a question. What's the big question? And then you're going to create a hypothesis, which is essentially an educated guess as to what's going to happen. You want to write it and construct it as an if and then sentence, where the if is the independent variable and then is the dependent variable. So that means you might write something like, if I do not water the indoor plants, then the plants will die. So if is independent of what happens to the plant. You can water it or not water it, but whether the plant lives or doesn't is dependent on whether it gets water or not. So if then. Does it connect back to your original question, your original scientific question? And then finally, can you test this hypothesis? So in that example of watering the indoor plant, you can test it. You can see. You can have one example where you water the plant and one example where you do not. And that's your control versus your testing. And that is how you write a hypothesis. Good luck.